Welcome to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free daily petrochemicals news show. If you enjoy watching the video, at the end of today's daily news report, may I please request you to subscribe and to click on the bell icon. Also do remember to like this video by giving us a thumbs up. It encourages us to continue to bring you free informative news on a daily basis. I am Charles Elis. It is Monday, October 16th. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude oil prices rose on Friday with the US levying the first set of sanctions on tankers shipping Russian oil at prices over the price cap of $60 per barrel imposed by the G7 countries. The gain in prices was also driven by the OPEC sticking to its bullish global crude oil demand forecast for 2024. Brent crude prices rose by $4.89, settling at $90.89 per barrel, while WTI futures increased by $4.78, settling at $87.69 per barrel. Last Friday, open-spec naphtha prices rose by $4 per metric ton at the $660 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Last week, limited trading activity brought by depressed demand from the derivative sectors pulled propylene prices lower in Asia. On Friday, CFR China propylene prices were assessed at the $845 to $855 per metric ton levels, while CFR Taiwan propylene prices were assessed at the $850 to $860 per metric ton levels, both down by $10 per metric ton week on week. CFR Southeast Asia propylene prices on Friday were assessed at the $795 to $805 per metric ton levels, while FOB Korea propylene prices were assessed at the $810 to $820 per metric ton levels, both lower by $5 per metric ton from the previous week. Last week, ethylene prices displayed a mixed undertone in Asia. Last week, ethylene and propylene prices fell in Europe. Last week, ethylene and polymer-grade propylene prices gained while refinery-grade propylene prices remained constant in the United States. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today. On October 16, 2023, LLDPE prices are higher by RMB 51 per metric ton at RMB 80.72 per metric ton. PP prices are up by RMB 49 per metric ton at RMB 75.22 per metric ton. PVC prices are higher by RMB 25 per metric ton at RMB 59.80 per metric ton. MEG prices are up by RMB 24 per metric ton at RMB 41.26 per metric ton. In plant news, Sinopec Guangzhou Petrochemical has recently shut down its number 3 and number 4 polypropylene units in Guangdong for maintenance. Further details on duration of the shutdown could not be ascertained. Located in Guangzhou, Guangdong, China, the number 3 PP unit has a production capacity of 120,000 metric ton per year and the number 4 PP unit has a production capacity of 200,000 metric ton per year. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Nyara Energy, an Indo-Russian oil refining and marketing company that owns and operates Vadana refinery located at Vadana, Gujarat, India with a capacity of 20 mmtpa. It owns India's second-largest single-site, state-of-the-art refinery, and one of the most modern and complex refineries in the country, having businesses across the hydrocarbon value chain, from refining to retail, and is geared up to drive the vision of delivering crude to chemicals. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. This is Polymer Update, with me Charles Elis, from Polymer Update's virtual world. Many thanks for watching.